Hello. In my previous presentation, I had discussed about this widely used technique called brainstorming, and I had discussed the concept of brainstorming in detail. Now, we all know that brainstorming is a technique of finding out various ideas or stimulating people to produce many ideas without. Okay. Now we shall learn about principles of brainstorming. Now these principles as put forth by Osborne, they are very essential to achieve ideative efficacy, which means the ability to produce more and more ideas. So what are these principles? They are defer judgment. Now these principles are for the one who is conducting the brainstorming and also for the participants. Defer judgment, which means do not be judgmental, and reach for quantity, because more the merrier. Having better ideas is not really important, but the quantity of ideas is more and more important. Now the principles of brainstorming here: judgment and creativity will not go together. So if you're judgmental, do not expect creative ideas or out of the box thinking. So let us not have criticism or unnecessary prejudgments or pre-evaluation of what people say. So avoid laughter, because these things go along with, these are non-verbal signs which tell the person that the idea was not good or not acceptable. Groans, praise, non-verbal reinforcers, gestures, these are all things that we need to avoid. Now, the more the better. The best way to have a good idea is to have a lot of ideas. So quantity is more important or preferred rather than quality. So when we think and hiking, when somebody has given an idea, my brains also start functioning and I also think of various possibilities. Okay, so piggybacking leads to greater quantity. So quantity breeds quality. Now, free is another principle of means having an atmosphere of freedom. The person is able to think in an uninhibited manner, unrestrained manner, and the person is fearless. Because once you become fearless, you become limitless. There is no limit to the ideas that we present. Okay. So thank you for brainstorming. Next class we will be doing procedure of brainstorming.